Today we will discuss what is COVID-19. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a new strain of coronavirus. Co stands for corona, V stands for virus, and D for disease. Previously it was referred to as novel coronavirus 2019 because this new strain was discovered in 2019. There were increased cases of coronavirus in December of 2019 in the city of Wuhan in China. Coronavirus spread within China and to rest of the world. On 13th January 2020, World Health Organization declared the outbreak a public health emergency of international concern. How the transmission occurs from one person to the other. The COVID-19 virus spreads through droplets of saliva or the discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs, sneezes or exhales, or when a person comes in contact with infected objects and then touches their eyes, nose and mouth. What are the symptoms? Symptoms may vary from mild to moderate. Some people may not develop these symptoms. Some of the most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, difficulty in breathing, headache and fatigue. On average, it takes about 7 to 14 days to develop the symptoms when someone is infected with virus. To prevent the spread of infection, wash your hands regularly, maintain the physical distance among infected people, use the face mask and avoid touching your face. What are the variants of COVID-19? Like other viruses, COVID-19 virus has also changed over time. There are 4 variants of COVID-19 called the Alpha, Beta, Gamma and Delta. As the virus modifies, properties of the virus varies from one variant to the other. The rate of transmission increases, it means how easily it spreads from one person to the other. There is increased risk of disease severity. Effectivity of the vaccines and medicines decreases. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.